Good evening everyone. Welcome to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve D16 problem order of phoenix. In this problem we are given a string and we have to calculate its maximum power by rearranging the string. For example, if we have a string S, we will first denote its index 1, 2, 3, 4 and its value. For A it's 1, A1, C3 and D4. Its power will be its index multiplied by its value. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. It's 28. Like if we have a string, another string phoenix, to calculate its maximum power we have to first rearrange it in a ascending order, then we will calculate its maximum power. So the code for this question is something like, first we will take a string S, C in S, then we will calculate its length and then we will sort the string in ascending order. Then we will store our answer, which is maximum power, in a variable answer is equal to 0. Then we will run a loop from 0 to L minus 1, and as it is 0 based indexing, we will add plus 1 in index and multiply by its value. For example, if we have a string S, C, its ASCII value is 99 and character A have ASCII value 97, we will minus C minus A, it's 2, and we will add 1 because we are subtracting E from it, so it will be 3. So the value, this will give value and this will give its index. So we will store it in answer and then at the end we will output answer. Thank you everyone.